Really enjoying my Bebop, my missions and adventures with the Bebop. Really good drone, really nice quadcopter. Range is absolutely fantastic. Flight time's a bit short, but I'm working on that. I'm going to get a bigger capacity battery. But I'm just thinking about which one I'm going to get next, where I'm going to go from here. And I was looking at the Mavic 2, and my finger was poised over the buy now button. I had the money in my bank account. I was really tempted. I pressed the button, my finger slipped, and I bought this thing instead. This is it's a Hubsan, but it's the Red 5 Q4 version. It's the world's smallest quadcopter, eh? Who needs a Mavic 2 when you've got the world's smallest quadcopter, eh? What a load of fun this will be. Much more fun than a Mavic 2. Anyway guys, I'll do the unboxing later, and I'll take this up in the air. We'll see if we can lose it over the viaduct. Okay guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.